Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your PowerPoint app. So all you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, just go here above your photo profile, click on it. So when you click here on photo profile here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings here, click on it here. So when you click on settings here, it's going to take you to this list. Then you click here on push notifications here. So then it's going to take you to this list. You click here on notification categories down here. Then you come to next step here, come here to someone edits my shared file. Just clicking this sign or this color, like you see color is gone. That means someone edits my shared file disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.